Okay, guys, I wanted to go ahead and show you the script I've been working on that goes ahead, that processes the files for you. Um, so right now I've got all these files in these folders that were auto-generated, and I'm going to go ahead and delete them so I can show you how it works. So basically the way it would work is take a picture, or maybe we at some point could set up a little space on the server where people could upload an image, and I could grab the image, and any image can be turned into a line drawing with different parameters. Um, the only parameters that you even have to set at all through the command line would be these two parameters right here. Those affect the line drawing that you get in the end, so it'll affect the quote-unquote style of the picture, whether or not it's simple or more detailed. Um, and yeah, so I'll go ahead and show you how it works. Um, Basically, what I would do is, get a picture through some means, um, and then run the script. And in the future, the script will take command line arguments and be able to be run as its own module to pass it any picture. So right now it only takes JPGs, but all I have to do is convert the picture to a JPG, and then it works. I have the program convert is actually used to convert it to a BMP at one point so that it can be traced. Since PoTrace only traces BMPs. So go ahead and run it, and GIMP will run. It'll process the picture with the settings that I gave it. It'll spit out a new picture. It's the line drawing you see here. And after that, it's converted to a BMP. The BMP is a format that's able to be traced by PoTrace. So it'll vectorize the BMP and output an EPS. The EPS is required for PistoEdit. I don't know how to exactly say it. PistoEdit is able to take vector graphics and turn them into DXFs, which are able to be read by OpenSCAD. So OpenSCAD will take the DXF, it will generate an STL, as you can see here. It'll go ahead and do that for us. The STL is then fed into KissSlicer, and KissSlicer slices it and gives us G-code. KissSlicer is already set up, so the G-code will be good to go almost. There are a few things that KissSlicer can't do because it's meant to output 3D printer G-code. Also, as you can see, my script does not exit. I have a problem with not exactly knowing what to do. Basically, if I wait for the process, GIMP will hang. So there you go. It never exits. I can't figure out how to get it to exit. But some of the problems with the G code are that I had to do an extrusion width of 2 millimeters in order to make sure that I accounted for the fact that the tip of the marker is so fat, and so that everything's not. It's only drawing the lines it needs to draw. Put the extrusion width as the proper size of the tip. Well, it's close enough. So it thinks that it can't extrude that quickly because I have set the speed really high, and in order to extrude 2 millimeters of, I suppose I could go ahead and change the diameter of the filament Yeah, that would probably work. Um, but so I'm just gonna go in here and then modify the G code manually just to make life easy. I'll go in and do a regex with Java and pull this out, change it to a feed rate of 3,000 or 6,000, I'm not sure which, to make it a lot faster for the drawing. And also I need to put a semicolon here to comment this out, just to stop this from requiring me to be at 10 degrees Celsius before the print starts. So there you go. Hopefully you guys show up. Somebody shows up on Thursday, give me some help with some Java code, because I would like to get this thing to exit on its own so that I can put it in there as an interrupt feature, so that basically it will draw at the time until someone comes and takes a picture, and then it will take a picture, continuing to write at the time until the processing is complete, and then draw the picture. And then go back to writing the timeout. I think it'll be a lot of fun. So, hope you liked it, and see you Thursday.